Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you have been wondering how can you hide all of your photos and posts on Facebook at once in one click, then you're in the right place. Today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that in a very easy and clear method as well. So follow up with me till the very end and let's jump right into it. First, since we're gonna be using the Facebook app on your mobile device, let's go ahead and open the Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're using, only to find Facebook here and make sure we have the app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly and to function properly in the app. After that, you can quit the store and let's go ahead and open Facebook now. Of course, you have to be logged into your account and then head out to the menu by tapping here in the top right corner on the profile picture or the three lines, and then from here tap on your profile name because we need to open your profile. From your profile, we need to tap on these three dots right next to edit profile right here, and then from here tap on activity log right there. You will be taken to this page. You need to go ahead and tap on your activity across Facebook, which will be the first option in this list right here. Another option will be right under it once you tap there. So go ahead and tap on manage posts right under posts. It's going to take a couple seconds for the posts to load up, and once they do, you need to go ahead and tap on filters in the top left part of the screen right here. And then from there tap on categories in the bottom. Wait for a couple of seconds, then tap right here on your posts, check-ins, photos and videos. Just like that, they will load up right here. Now from here tap on all in the top left right there, and they will be all selected. Just tap on the three dots in the bottom right corner right here, and then tap on change audience in the bottom, and then from here you need to go ahead and tap on change audience again, and then set this to only me in the bottom right here. You can do this to do all of the posts at once, or you can do it one by one if that's what you're looking for and you want to only change audience for some specific posts on Facebook. And that's basically how can you hide your posts on Facebook in a very easy and clear method. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching and see you in another video.